Now this is a very special car. We sell lots of BMW X5s, likewise a lot of 4x4s. Now this is a 2019 69 registration, 3-litre diesel M Sport in the beautiful Phytonic blue with 30,000 miles on. Now whenever I've sold an X5, normally it has fabulous specification, but there's always something just missing. A lot of people ask for this, this and this, has it got that and has it got this? And 9 out of 10 times it's got most of it. Now this one I'll go through here as I go around it. Obviously it's an M Sport. A couple of things that it needs to have for me personally, if you're going to buy a car this size. The third row seating, which is a 7-seater, this has got it. The sky roof, which is the panoramic tinting sliding panoramic roof with the LED lights built into it. The heads-up display. It's just got everything, literally. And with 30,000 miles on in a beautiful metallic blue, this is a stunning car. So it's a G model car. You've got the new kidney grills in there, all finished in the jet black. You've got the BMW LED headlights with the fusion blue daytime running lights. All the M Sport bumpers, which is the bigger grills, the black inserts in the fog light area. The bottom section has black and the colour-coded bumper as well. And then this one has the full 360 view camera system. So that's a big extra because not all the X5s have the front cameras, side cameras and rear camera. This one does. As you come around the side, you'll notice that this has got the beautiful M Sport upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels, which are finished in diamond cut and that lovely anthracite grey on the inserts. The blue brake calipers, and then this one's got mud flaps front and rear. Does make a difference. The stones don't flick up and chip the side of your car, and it keeps the car looking nice and clean a bit longer. You've also got the high gloss black air breathers there, the lovely M badging with it being an M Sport, high shadow line black window surrounds, and a nice little extra, makes it a bit more bulkier, and you can utilise it as the high gloss black roof rails as well. The full Vernasca perforated leather interior with the M seat belts, which is lovely by the way, nice little touches like that. Electric seats with lumbar support, and then another extra is the Harman Kardon sound system. If you like your music, the Harman Kardon is brilliant. Touchscreen media system, full digital professional instrument panel there. Heated seats, dual zone climate control, ambient lighting, and you can see that roof there. If you go all the way close, you might notice you can change your colours, like the ambient lighting in the car. You can change from orange, blue, green, purple, and at night, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Top dash is all leather as well, all the M entry kick plates. As for the middle row, again, M seat belts, ambient lighting, reclining and electric rear seats, which is amazing by the way. Brilliant. Fully fitted matte front and rear. All the cubby holes and pockets everywhere. 12-volt socket down there. Automatic tailgate on the back. LED rear lighting system. You've got the lovely M Sport rear diffuser with the bigger tailpipe coverings there. And then this one obviously has automatic tailgate, but the 7 seats which I've mentioned already, which you can see there. Now, we do a lot of videos on all our cars. Most 7 seats, when the seats are up, you have no boot, literally. You don't have any boot at all. So I'll just open this. There we go. But here with the seats up, you can still put a pushchair in there or some shopping or suitcase, whatever you need to. Another massive extra on this car, if you're going to use it for that purpose, which I've not seen many BMWs with at all, is round here, there's a little button that lights up. And it's so clever, because from the back it looks nice and neat, no eyesores at all. But you press that button, automatically, you've got what you call electric deployable tow bar. Boom, just pops out. Click it on, off you go for a nice weekend, do what you need to do. Once you finish using it, press it again, takes a few seconds, and it'll fold away. There's electrics there and everything else. Just for me, it costs a lot of money, but it's a nice, neat feature. Lots of space in the third row seating. It's just amazing, genuinely is. As you come around the side here in the driver's area, electric windows and mirrors, the driver's memory seat. You have got electric folding mirrors as well. And then, like I said, the big one is you've got the heads-up display, which on a 30D is not a common thing to have all the time. So the heads-up display shows you how fast you're going, how fast you should be going, navigation details. You've then got the fully multifunctional steering wheel here, Bluetooth, voice control, cruise control, all that is just there, and that's perfect as well. This one also has air suspension, and that's down there, so you can lift, as in raise or drop the height of the car. Wireless charging pad, 2 keys. You've got 1 key there, and the second one, which I put away because I'm scared I'll smash it, is the lovely big display key, which is awesome by the way. The reversing camera system on this car is absolutely brilliant. Like most cars these days, the modern ones, you've got the reversing one there, and then you've got the 3D version there, so you can see exactly around the car. And like I've mentioned several times, for you to curb the wheels on this car, it's almost impossible. The reversing assistant is absolutely fabulous as well. Once you've parked into a parking space, it memorizes your driving pattern into that spot. So you press that, you let go of the steering wheel, it literally takes you out of that tight spot and back onto the main road or wherever you started off from. Centre armrest lifts up and you've got more cubbyhole space in there with more USB as well. And remember, one final time, that tilt and sliding panoramic roof is an absolute amazing bit of spec. Heads-up display, bigger wheels, M Sport, 30,000 miles, Sky Lounge, Harman Kardon sound system, electric deployable tow bar, the list goes on. Beautiful colour, Phytonic blue with a full black styling pack on. Just going live now. My name's Joe. My name and numbers on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.